Hello everybody. Today we're going to be playing this game called Brutalistick VR. I've already been playing it for a little while, so you'll probably see like stuff already here. So the whole point of this game is it's like a wave game where you fight a bunch of enemies and then you earn cash to get more weapons. Why does this not work? Come on. There we go. Did nothing to him. Right, come on. Get over the table. Get over it. What the hell did I just do to him? I freaking ripped open the fucking mouth. Come here. Come here, Monroe. Get over the table. Get over the table. Get over the table. Move. That's it, I'm just gonna cut you. How did you... That's it, I'm just gonna... Get the hell out of here. Oh no. My hand got stuck, alright. Get the hell out of the table. We got Tracksuit Tommy, and then we got Father Greg, and then Hanzo. I'm gonna play some Russian roulette, huh? Father Greg. Oh. I think she's dead. Okay, let's play it again. I just died in the first 2 seconds. Boom. Alright, come on. Boom. Hanzo. Oh. Tommy. Hanzo. Oh my god. That was insane. Give me this stuff. Give me this. Holy crap, I'm in Attack on Titan. Oh, I think I killed him. Get out of there. Yeah, I just ripped out his stomach. Yeah, he's not doing good. Hold on, get up, buddy. Let me get over this table. We're gonna solve it. Let's see. Dang, he kind of got cut in half. He's like a sandwich. Subway sandwich. Come on. There we go. Yeah, he's dead. Yeah, he's dead. He's not surviving that. But I can hit him with this extra long wrench. Yeah, he's dead. Alright, let's do... the facility. Oh, there we go. Actually loaded pretty quick this time. For once. Finally, my internet doesn't suck today. Alright, let's see. That was pretty epic. Did I just hit this guy through the... Oh. Yeah, I just like... Oh, he's still alive. He's dead, bro. He's dead. He's dead. He's extra dead. One PCs. Free battery. There. Bro, like, they all die. Oh, you're one. He's in here. Oh, it's an obvious blocked door. No, this guy's still alive and spinning. Dude, where are all the NPCs? They couldn't be in here, right? Oh, of course. It's the room that I don't check. The only rooms that I don't check. I'm able to hold it with two hands. That's nice to know. Okay, now I'm able to do something. Like, where is everybody? I'll die. Uh-oh. Damn it. Dude! Like, everybody died on the map. Look in here. Nobody in there. Oh, nobody in here. Hello. Oh, the doors are locked also. Oh, damn, that guy got demolished, dude. Oh, damn! Oh, dude. Also, where is everybody? Oh. God. Dude! Where is everybody? That's it. Nope. There's nobody in the map. Dude. Nobody in there. This one. Nope. Is this guy dead? Yeah, he's dead. No dead body in here. I'll just go through the freaking thing. How clever. Oh my god! Hold up. I'm gonna pause this real quick and I'll come back when I find that guy. Alright, get back in a second. Alright, I'm back. I had to restart the whole level because the NPCs weren't spawning. Let's make it so it's 3. Alright. This one. Okay. Alright. Let's get to killing these NPCs. Alright. I just like cut him open. Oh yeah, I did. Oh my god, this door. It doesn't open. I'm gonna have to freaking... There we go. It just broke the door, but... Zero damage. Oh, what the hell? Where the hell did this guy come from? I was cut off. Not even dead. Oh, freak. There's another one. Oh my god, I'm lagging so bad. Bash through this door. Okay. You can see over here. Oh, dang, I just got him. Oh, he's still alive? Uh-oh. The lag's getting real right now. Give me your helmet. I want your... Take that. Oh, freak. I just threw like nothing at him. Come on. I just like... Guy's on his knees. There we go. A couple more people over here. Are you gonna try and get up on me? There we go. Oh, of course I lagged. There we go. 2 out of 9, no kills. You. Come here! Dude, I just ripped him in like 2. This is too slow. I wanna kill him now. Hey, buddy. Kill me! Oh, he's still alive, pretty sure. There's gonna be a guy behind me, watch. Oh, never mind. Freak you! That's cool. Hey. Oh, never mind. It's fine. Oh, it's just sick. Are there any more NPCs? Oh, there's a couple more. There it is. Give me your hat. I want your hat. My hat, man. Oh, I didn't have a hat. Come here. I killed him, didn't I? Yep. Dude! What about the hit? The hitting me. Oh, freak, it's bugged. It's bugged. It's only facing one way right now. I'm bugged. Oh my god, I'm getting attacked like bad right now. That one's dead. Wait, are you still alive? Oh, you are. There you go. No, he's dead. No. Let's see if I'm able to kill this guy. Is he dead? Oh no. I can't. Oh no. What? I killed 29 of them. Hold on, let me just. Let's redo that. Hey, chill. Come here. Stop freaking trying to give me a hug, bro. Oh, he has a knife that I can get. Oh yeah, my birthday's coming up, so I'll probably make like a birthday special video. Or I'll probably be like an old run. Oh. What? Fist fight? Oh, we start this level. Let's do this again. Oh, my freaking hair hurts. Freaking scalp. Same thing. Same thing. Oh, I love reloading with these. Oh, I gotta get these. These make me feel so cool, just like reloading them like that. I just like reload my. Let them see me. You didn't see anything. Oh, hey, buddy. That one scene in Cyberpunk. Yeah, I already have a bullet. Take out 34 of them. I have very bad memory, so I won't remember that again. I have to keep on looking back. Leave me alone, bro! Wait. Of course. Hi. Hold it. Oh, cool. There you go. Alright. John Wick. This is actually really fun. Here. Oh. Come here, fist fight. Fist fight, bro. Oh, wait, you're on the ground. I have to freaking beat you like a normal person. Oh, freak. And it's fine. Let's just kill him with the chainsaw. There we go. Give me my side. Move it. Dead body. I said move it. I said move it. Stop it. Hey, why are you hitting me? I don't even have ammo in this thing. I can't even see the original colors of them. This thing doesn't even have ammo on it. Ew. I'm gonna have to freaking like. I probably killed him with the revolvers. Or a revolver. Oh my god, bro. This TV freaking gun. They had to make it so where you couldn't, like, oh, I still have a couple more bullets left, please. Am I all out of bullets?
Ooh.
Kill him, bro. Kill him. He just died by his own back. Oh, freak, he got back up. He got back up. He's not good. Now I have to. Oh. Sorry if the video's really like laggy and bad, because it's like the worst internet right now. more people. 27 out of 30. See? I told you that. It's the number. Every time I have to like look again. Did this guy would get shot? Oh yeah, he definitely got shot. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm starting to figure out how to like record in 1, 4. 1442. Oh yeah. Oh my. Oh yeah, question of the day is should I keep on posting more Roblox content? Should I keep on posting more Roblox content? Because the JJS like video did decent. And a lot of people like playing Roblox, including me. But yeah, should I keep on playing Roblox? That's a good question. Yeah, but like, hold up. But yeah, should I keep on playing Roblox and making content on it? Sheesh, what happened to me? Why am I bald? Sheesh, my shiny forehead. I want this. Oh man. Let's see. Should we play Russian roulette again? And then so I can finish the video, which will probably come out tomorrow because it's like 2 when I'm recording this, and then it takes like a day to post. Oh yeah, also happy 4th of July if you celebrate it. I'm pretty sure most people. Not saying everybody does, but dude, Traxy Tommy, you good? You good, bro? You good, my homie? Oh, he's not looking good, bro. You ain't looking good. You ain't looking so good, bro. Yeah, I don't think he's doing good. Okay, let's use this and then we'll finish the video. Or I can just kill them all. I didn't know that it would shred through him. Okay. You. Mattermon Hanzo. I almost said Monzo. Sheesh, Monzo. Like, give me my sword. There we go. Holy crap, backwards grip? Sheesh. This thing doesn't cut through butter, bro. It leaves a dent in him. Oh, there we go. He's probably gonna die from this. Oh, he's not even dead. He lost it. No, don't tell me he died from that. No way. He died from his arm getting cut off. Like, only slightly. And very slow. Maybe he did die. Oh my god. Is this Dragon Slayer from Berserk? Or what the hell is this stupid hunk of iron? Just like, I'm not even moving my hand when I hold it. It just kind of like chops. Like, stupid gun. Gun, really? Really? Gun? Oh my god. Smartest. Brain too smart. Oh my ears, bro. This thing. Oh yeah, this. I want to try and make something with this thing. So we go. Boom. Should add a 9mm pistol. Space. Too far. Really? It's too far? Oh, wait, no. There we go. Move that out. Okay. Release. Release. No. Come to me. No. It's bugged. It's bugged. This thing is so broken. It's like stuck in one position. Yeesh. Okay, let's see. So we gotta do this. And then, what's the same color? This thing. Yeesh. Shaky hands McGee over here. There we go. Wait, no. Move that off. Does it work? Does it work? Oh my god, it does! Please tell me it. Please tell me it. I can pull the ripcord. Right now. Hold up. There we go. Hold it in one hand and just... I can also do this. This thing's sick. Did everybody even lay in my like weapon slot? Oh, no. Stop it. Stop it. Bad weapon. Oh, what the hell is happening? Dude, bro, this thing is tweaking. Watch the cord. I don't see it. Where's my chainsaw, nail gun, weapon thing? Better idea. Hold up. Boom. This is the chainsaw McGee weapon 2.0. Another nail gun. Perfect. Yeah, I should be able to do it. What the freak? Perfect. Plus, these things don't even need to reload. I can just shoot them, and they fire on their. They basically fire on their own. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you like this type of VR content, because I like making VR videos, and hope you guys liked it. Alright. Bye bye. Alright.